A and B started working together, but after some days, A left the work and whole work will complete in 9 days. Find how many days after A left. If A and B completes the work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. A and B started working together, but after some days A left, then whole work is completed in 9 days. Find after how many days A left, and if A and B completes the work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. That means A can complete the work in 15 days and B can complete the work in 10 days. So I am taking this LCM of 10 and 15, which is of 30. So what I am going to do is, I am supposing that total work is 30 units. I am supposing that total work is 30 units. If total work is 30 units, now here A can complete the work in 10 days, B can complete the work in 15 days. So if total work is 30 units, means this 30 units will be done by this A in 10 days, means A's a 1 day work. A's 1 day work is 30 by 10, which is of 3 units, and B's 1 day work is 30 by 15, that is of 2 units. That is of 2 units. But in how many days B worked? B completely work for 9 days. So B's 9 days work. B's 9 days work is 9 into 2. That is of 18 days, 18 units. Now, if you observe this, total work we suppose rather than 30 units. Okay. So in that 30 units, how many units of the work will be completed by the B? 18. Then remaining work, what is remaining work? Remaining work is 30 minus 18, which is of 12 units. This who has to complete? A. So in how many days this 12 units can be completed by A? That means to complete this 12 days, A will take how many days? So, but we know that A is a 1 day work. A's 1 day work is 3 units. That means to complete 3 units, you will take 1 day. So, but to complete 12 units, how many days you will take? Means to complete this 3 units, you will take 1 day. Means to complete the remaining 12 units, how many days will take? Means 3 becomes 12 multiplied by 4. So 1 also should be multiplied by 4. So 4 days. That means after 4 days, after 4 days, he after 4 days of working, A left the job. That means A worked with B for 4 days. Okay.